Why has the number of alcohol-related deaths increased so dramatically? Alcohol, a widely used drug in America, has seen a significant rise in related deaths over the past 2 decades. A recent CDC report highlights the growing problem, examining both direct and indirect alcohol-related fatalities. In just 5 years, alcohol-related deaths surged by 29%, with over 178,000 Americans dying in 2021 alone due to alcohol consumption. This alarming statistic equates to approximately 500 lives lost each day to alcohol. Keith Humphreys, a Stanford University professor, discusses these findings, noting his lack of surprise due to pandemic-driven increases in alcohol consumption and the historic low cost of alcohol in the U.S. Humphreys points out that federal alcohol taxes haven't risen since 1991, contributing to increased consumption. Additionally, the heavy advertising of alcohol, particularly during major events like football games, exacerbates the issue. A striking oversight in American drug policy is the underestimation of alcohol's impact compared to illicit drugs. This blind spot leads many to overlook the dangers of alcohol consumption. Humphreys also highlights the tragic rise in alcohol-related deaths among women, a result of targeted advertising campaigns by the alcohol industry to increase female consumption. The industry's push over the last 25 years to encourage women to drink more has had disastrous consequences, given women's generally higher susceptibility to alcohol's damaging effects. Despite these grim statistics, Humphreys offers hope to those struggling with alcohol addiction, emphasizing the possibility of recovery. He notes that millions of Americans have successfully overcome alcohol problems through various means. Recovery paths include support groups like Alcoholics Anonymous, counseling, medication, and lifestyle changes that prioritize sober activities and communities. Humphreys stresses that recovery is a realistic goal and that those battling alcohol addiction should not feel ashamed, as they are not alone in their struggle. This conversation underlines the critical need for awareness, policy changes, and support systems to address the escalating crisis of alcohol-related deaths in America. In conclusion, the rise in alcohol-related fatalities signals a pressing public health issue, with recovery and change being possible for individuals and society at large.